popular holiday destinations, the Southwest.
Well, it used to be the job of the fire authority to inspect hotels and issue fire certificates. But some 7 or 8 years ago, there was a change in the fire legislation. The job now rests with the hotel owner or the occupier.
So that's a kind of DIY system. Is that system working?
In my view, the system is not working.
We set to work undercover. The hotels don't know we're filming, so we can see how they really operate. We're looking for shortcomings that could start a fire, allow one to get out of control, or make it harder for people to get out. Fire escapes, for example, should be well maintained. The doorstep at one exit is also crumbling.
If I push it too hard, this whole wooden threshold strip is going to go. Absolutely not.
The rot set in at another hotel too. Wooden escapes are fine, but not when they're in this state. We look behind closed doors, and at doors which should be closed for safety.
That's not going to stop the fire. Why don't I do that?
Fire doors should fit snugly, not be held open, and at another hotel, how would you like to see this if you're in a hurry? Alan finds fault with 11 out of the 14 hotels we visit, and at this one, trouble's lurking below stairs.
So this is part of the hotel that guests don't see, right down in the basement. And what we've discovered here is just this great big storeroom of junk, much of it flammable junk.
Obviously, a fire in here, going to the wall, could anyway,
Yeah. I think that's the point, isn't